Hi, my name is Veronica Spigner, CEO of SurgeWallstreetLA, more than a travel business. I am doing this video. It's called How to Vortex video. And I'm doing this because people probably wonder, well, what is the video? Well, it's the actual booking engine. And I want you to see what it is. And that's why I say How to Vortex video. Some of you have already become a Vortex customer, so I want to show you how to work it. Okay, so here I'm sharing this screen, and look at this beautiful website. Isn't it gorgeous? It's called the Vortex. Now you get here by going to SurgeWallstreetLA.com, and you got there's a link there that will take you to this website, or www.I'mLovingItTravel.com. Okay, you if you're already a customer, you do your email here. And password is password protected. That's why it's a private, personalized website. It's your own, very own private website where only you can access it. It's password protected. Or here where you sign in. Okay, here it is. Our beautiful Vortex. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay, so it's just like any other website, but I say better, right? It's like any other booking website that you see online. Here are your different headings here: hotel, cruises, cars, flights, homes, activities, and transportation and lodges. My favorite one is home. We'll get back to that. Okay, so let's give you a little example. Click on hotel, the hotel is already here. Get your destination, check in, check out, and just like any other that you've done before. Okay, so let's say this is when we go to Las Vegas. Everybody want to do that. In Las Vegas here. Okay, click on there. Let's just check in. Let's just say 16. Check out. This is going to be one day, and we're going to search. You see this searching here? The longer it takes, that means has the more inventory that it has. So sometimes if it's a lot of inventory, just be patient. Because we find the best deals for you. Savings up to 80-85% of the time you have the lower savings. So here, different things for the hotel here in Las Vegas. And here, you see in the green, that's the savings. This is the public price. This is what you would see on all those other websites that you go to. This is going to be their price. This is our savings. This is our total price here. $39 here. Our price is $26, and it includes taxes and fees. Now, there are some times where, like on flights, the fee may not include baggage. The luggage, something like that, but taxes and fees and stuff, you don't have to worry about paying extra. It's already done. Isn't that beautiful? Like anything else. And one thing about the different savings, I am a Vortex owner. I receive 60% of all the savings. And my Vortex link customers, I can have them all over the world, globally, in all the different countries. So let me give you an example of 60% of the savings that you will get. Say, for instance, the savings, this green savings here was $100 savings. 60% of $100 is $60, right? I will earn that $60. A friend of mine said that she's going to a convention, 1,000 people at the convention. Let's say that host of the convention is a Surge 365 member. They have the Vortex. They sent 1,000 of the Vortex link to those people. They all sign up for the hotel. Say the hotel, they got saved $100. That's $100. That's 60 times $1,000. $60,000 that person can make even before the convention starts. So that is something that people don't know. Is so hopefully people will start understanding that. Okay, that's the thing that I want to be able to show people. Okay, so that's hotel. We got cruises. We got car rental. Let's try the flights. You have all types of flights. The major ones, American, United Airlines, and we have Southwest, which you don't have on a lot of flights. See, so we go here. I'm not clicking too much. Okay, so cookies. That's for that. That's why. Okay, just need to be a little patient, right? So here's different flights and everything. Let's see. Let's going back to Las Vegas, I guess. Oh, I didn't spell that right. Go backwards. Vegas. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. Then they have down here return. You can do economy. You know, economy, first class, business. I mean, passengers. Adult. Okay. And so we're gonna do to and from. Okay, it has the 7. Okay, just have it down here for a week. Just go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna search it. Oh, search from field was invalid. It said, I'm so sorry. Oh, 2. I didn't put the from airport. 2 and put LAX. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm going LAX first. First, then let's go Las Vegas. Okay. That's right, it's valid. It's really smart. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's it. Okay. All the different flights. See them all? Okay, we got Frontier, Alaska, Delta. They're all here. They all look at Southwest. Look at the prices. Okay, includes taxes and fees. Includes taxes, but for fees may apply. When I say fees may apply, that's for maybe the luggage. But it's going to include the taxes. Okay. All right. Let's go back. Let's go back to the main place that I want to show you is the homes. The homes area. Go back one time to the beginning. Yeah, okay. See homes here? Woo! Love this. I just gotta be careful, just gotta be patient. The computer probably a little on the slow side too. So I'm gonna do more clicks. Okay. All right. What happened here? Okay. And these are the different places. Okay. You see down here, United States, Europe, Caribbean, South Pacific, Canada, Mexico, America, Asia, Africa. Click on these places. That's where all of these different places come from. Right now, it's showing all of them. Okay, all over the world. In Spain, it's showing all the different ones, sites in California, whatever. But if you want a specific one, a specific country, say we want the United States. Going to give you a view of just the United States. From A to Z, Beverly Hills. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and click on Beverly Hills. I might want to get a home in Beverly Hills. Okay, let's see. That on. And one thing I like about this is that, these, Beverly Hills is, could be expensive, but if you have a girl trip, you have 10 to 12. Like a lot of these people, they sleep 14, 7 bedrooms. That's like only two person per bedroom. Sleep 14. You can divide the cost of this 14 ways. You can view. Let's go ahead and view the room. Get a little closer. Look at that gorgeous, the pool and all that stuff. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. This right here shows the different. This right here shows the different photo gallery right here. So all the different more photos. Isn't that gorgeous? 14 of you guys can stay. Go do a girl trip out here, and you go in details where they show you the different prices as to how much it will be. Let's take it back, okay. Right. Okay, I'm gonna get where that's the home. I'm gonna get where that would be the prices. Oh, I know. Yeah, when you book, that's how you do that. Where it goes where you want to book, that's how you book the different prices. To book your vacation here, that's where you go. Vacation. It gives you a little overview as to what the amenities are and all that. Did I do enough clicking? Yeah, I just have to be patient. No more than 2 minute clicks. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Amenities. Click on here. Okay, there we go. Show the different amenities. Of course, smart TV, internet, of course, central heating, fireplace, air conditioning, mountain view. Okay. Give the layout. Tells you how many sleep 14, 7, how many baths at 8 full baths. Different bedrooms, king, queen, and all that. I'm gonna get to where the price is. When you put your, this is where you get the prices. Where you select the date. Go select the date here, and this shows you when when it's blank, that means it's available. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and click on. We're going to do it for a whole month. That's when you get the pricing now. Okay. And July is going to do July. Oh, I see. You know what? That means it's booked. It has to be dark. So let's see how far we can go. We might have to get to another place. So all of these is all booked up. It has when it's dark. That's when okay. Now I see some. Let's just go. Let's do a few of these. I see how they did here. See, this is when you have when it's available when it starts. So all that people are booking. People booking that beautiful place there. So you go and apply. Oh, it said make reservation. Oh, okay. I have to put departure date in here. You can tell. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me go back. I thought I had departure date. Okay, there it is. It didn't show up. It has to show up dark here and show up dark here.
Out of time, so let's wrap it up.
Okay, all right. Well, that's kind of So we don't have to show all that. I make a lot of mistakes, but I have to do get out where I got the pricing and stuff. So All right, so that's it. Well, that concludes the how to Vortex video, and you saw how beautiful this website is. And SurgeWallstreetLA have much more than just the Vortex. That's only one aspect of it. You have this wonderful membership website too, and a lot of times the membership price is lower than the Vortex. Yes, believe it or not. So membership has its privileges. And thank you so much, and happy travels.